Motion moved by Mr. Anand Sharma seeks to suspend the question hour and discuss suspend the business of the House and discuss what the Prime Minister has said in the course of his interactions with the diaspora on his recent international visit. So it's become customary now in a large number of countries with a very powerful Indian diaspora there that are meetings of all political leaders, including the Prime Ministers, which are held there. Today the issue is that if the Prime Minister makes a statement that we are trying to clean up the decision-making process,
please, no, listen. Please listen. Please listen.
yes, sir.
Please listen.
I can understand
Please
the
listen.
Congress benches being very upset with the idea of cleaning up.
Now, please.
मैं माननीय शरद यादव जी को याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि इस देश में पहले भी बड़े उदाहरण हुए हैं। आपके समाजवादी आंदोलन के नेता, हमारे नेता भी कई 1975 में दुनिया भर में घूमते थे, जो उस वक्त मानवीय अधिकारों का उल्लंघन हो रहा था उसके खिलाफ प्रचार करने के लिए। और आज
No, please. No, please listen.
और इसलिए
No, listen to him. Listen. Anand Sharma, please listen.
शरद जी, जिन नेताओं की विरासत का आप प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं समाजवादी आंदोलन में, पूरी दुनिया में उन्होंने प्रचार किया था उस वक्त की इस देश की राजनीतिक परिस्थिति जो बनी थी उसका।
No, please. अरे सुनिए प्लीज।
और इसलिए और बड़ी विचित्र परिस्थिति है कि जब कोई भ्रष्टाचार का कांड हुआ तो शरद जी हमारे साथ थे, लेकिन उसकी कई चर्चा हो गई तो आज आप हमारे खिलाफ हो गए। आज तर्क क्या दिया जा रहा है? आज किस कटघरे में आप अपने आप को खड़ा कर रहे हैं कि
कर रहे हैं, आपने अपनी वकालत का नाजायज लाभ उठा रहे हैं।
आप 60 साल में भ्रष्टाचार के जब कांड हुए तो जितने लोग हमारे साथ थे उन कांडों का पर्दाफाश करने के लिए आज उनको इस बात की जिक्र है, इस बात की चिंता है कि ये जिक्र तो किया गया कि उस परंपरा को अब हम तोड़कर एक साफ सुथरी सरकार देना चाह रहे हैं। सर,
listen. Sir, he is not yielding. Sit down. No, you have to listen. आप लोग, he is not yielding. He is not yielding. You listen. No, he is not yielding.
Sir, I am not yielding. I am not yielding. You can speak later.
Anand Sharma is not yielding.
Of course, I am going into the merit.
Listen to him.
Of course, I am going into the merit.
No,
Yes, I will go into the merit.
Listen.
Because the wrong statement has been made.
No, please.
I am going into the merit.
Statement has been made.
No, please.
Even Bhabha, the Prime Minister of Canada and his wife were there.
No, please. You listen. Anand Sharma, listen.
Sir,
No, please listen.
sir, my
How are
friend,
you sing?
sir, my
Mr.
friend, Mr.
Anand
Anand
Sharma, don't do
Sharma,
this.
sir, my
Anand
friend,
Sharma, sit down. See, please listen to the leader of the House in silence. Please do that. Then I will give the ruling allowed.
Sir,
Then I'll have to give the ruling now itself.
sir,
If you are not listening, I'll have to give the ruling now itself.
sir, may I?
Yes. If you are not ready to listen, I will give the ruling now itself.
Sir, obviously, if Mr. Anand Sharma wants a discussion on this subject, I am sure you will not allow it. But if you did, and if you did,
How do you know?
if you did,
I have not decided.
if you did, then Mr. Anand Sharma will not be in the chair. The discussion will be, what are the scams which happened in the last 60 years?
No, please.
What are the scams which happened in the last 60 years?
No, please.
बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए। 60
No, sir.
साल के जितने आपके भ्रष्टाचार के कांड है, स्वाभाविक है उस पर चर्चा होगी। विषय, अध्यक्ष जी, विषय केवल इतना है कि अगर 60 साल के भ्रष्टाचार के कांड पे चर्चा होगी, तो केवल विषय इसका है कि उन कांडों की चर्चा की जाए या ना की जाए। आनंद शर्मा इस पे वो चर्चा इस विषय पे मांगते हैं। सर, the discussion he wants is, don't discuss what happened in the last 60 years. Only your right to discuss is under question. There is no gag order, and the Prime Minister of India is perfectly entitled to say that what happened in the last 60 years, we will break away from that and present an honest government to the people of India.
Okay. Okay, now I want to give the ruling. No. No, please. Let me give the ruling. You have spoken. No. I want to. Let me give the ruling.
We also raised our voice against the corruption of that day. Issue is whether to project that as scam India abroad.
Okay.
That's the issue.
Okay.
Please deal on that. And
All
you
right.
have not told
May I
Okay.
ask my friends with this newfound morality? Sir, Anandji, please give me half a minute. Please, if you allow.
Okay.
Of course, he is entitled to say this. Sir,
Now, please. Sit down. If all
Sir,
of you
this
speak,
is-
what do I do?
sir, I am
Anand Sharma,
surprised.
sit down. I have to give the
Please,
ruling.
I am surprised at this new found dialectics of the Marxist Party. Of course I am. Dada, please, allow me to say this. According to them, with their new change strategy, India is not defamed by acts of corruption. India is defamed only when you refer to acts of corruption.
Defame the Prime Minister. This is not allowed.
That you know.
It has never happened in the history of the country. Prime Minister is the Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister is Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister, foreign trips are all admired by one and all.
Okay.